How to see repost on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you reposted Instagram reels or posts and now want to find them but don't know how? If yes, then you are watching the right video. First and foremost, make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. If not, watch my video on how to update Instagram. The video link is provided in the card section, pinned comment and description below. Once updated, open Instagram on your device. Now, tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right. Then you will be directed to your Instagram profile page. Previously, only the All tab and Reels tab were available here. But with the latest update, you will now see a new tab icon for Repost as well. By default, you will be on the All tab where you will see all your posts and Reels combined. Tap once on the Repost tab to switch to it. Finally, you will be able to see all your reposted posts and Reels on Instagram. Please keep in mind that you will only see this Repost tab icon if you have reposted either your own or others' posts or Reels on Instagram. Without reposting anything, you won't be able to find it even though the feature is available for you. So make sure to repost even a single post or Reel of yours or someone else's to see the icon in your profile. And there you have it. You have successfully found and seen all your reposts on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.